Hello guys, this is Bakekang Girl, and today I'm gonna show you another recipe, Nilagang Baka. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and please click the notification bell to get more videos update from my channel. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy watching. Hello guys, we're going to cook Nilagang Baka this time, our menu for today. But before that, we need to clean the meat. I usually wash first the meat before I will blanch to make sure it's clean. Wash well. Now I need to drain it and ready to blanch. Now I will blanch the meat and I will slowly put into the boiling water to show you how it looks like if I will not blanch the meat. Can you see guys? Boiled for a few minutes, maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Guys, take a look at the water. So I suggest that if you cook meats, better to blanch first and boil for some times, and after boiling you need to wash it well and drain before you cook. Now almost done guys, so I need to drain now the water. I need to wash it well and drain before I cook. Now these are the ingredients guys, is turnips, cabbage, potato, and garlic, pepper, bay leaf, ginger, onion, oil, and salt. Now I need to fry the ingredients like garlic, onion, and ginger. After that, I need to add the beef. Fry for some time and add the bay leaf and pepper. Now I need to add water. I need to add 6 cups of water and cover it. Boiled for 30 minutes or 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I need to add the white turnips or white carrots, or we call it radish. Boil for a few minutes again, guys, before I will add the potato. Wait for another few minutes again to make sure the potato is cooked. And before I add the cabbage, I need to add a little bit of salt to have a taste. Now it's time to add cabbage and cook for 2 minutes. A simple and easy to prepare and delicious recipe for Filipino. My nilagang baka is done and it smells good. Just so simple, guys. And here is my finished recipe, guys, nilagang baka. And please, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to get new videos update. Thank you, guys, and hope you like it and enjoy watching. Please support me and God bless. Thank you.